Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Before we start, can I ask you a small favor?
Yes, if you like learning English with real conversations, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
Your support really helps us grow, and it helps more people learn English. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, now let's start.
By the way, my name is Alex.
And I'm Emma.
We're friends from the USA, and we love talking about simple, real-life English.
Yes, no hard grammar, just natural English you can actually use.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, we're talking about how to train your brain and mouth to speak in English.
This is something many learners struggle with.
True, they understand English, but when they speak,
Their mouth doesn't move.
exactly, their brain freezes.
So, Emma, let me ask you something.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you remember learning another language?
Oh, yes. I tried to learn Spanish in college.
Tried. That sounds like a story.
It is. I could read Spanish. I could understand my teacher.
But speaking was hard.
Very hard. My brain knew the words, but my mouth felt scared.
That's a perfect example.
Many English learners think, I need more vocabulary.
Or, I need perfect grammar.
But the real problem is practice.
Yes, the brain and the mouth are not trained together.
They are like two people who don't know each other yet.
That's a funny image.
Let's explain this in a very simple way.
Okay.
Your brain is like a gym.
A gym.
Yes, if you don't exercise, your muscles are weak.
Ah, I see.
Speaking English is the same.
If you don't speak, your speaking muscles are weak.
Exactly.
So, tip number 1,
Train your brain with listening every day.
yes, simple listening.
Not fast English, not difficult English.
Slow, clear English, like this conversation.
When you listen every day, your brain learns the sound,
The rhythm.
the feeling of English.
I remember something from my childhood.
Oh,
When I was a kid, I watched the same cartoon again and again.
me too.
I didn't study it, I just enjoyed it.
And you learned the lines without trying.
Exactly. That's how the brain learns best.
So don't be angry with yourself.
Yes, be kind to yourself.
Learning a language takes time,
A lot of time.
and that's okay.
Now let's talk about the mouth.
Ah, yes, the mouth problem.
Many people say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
That's because the mouth needs training too.
Your mouth is shy.
Very shy.
Tip number 2, speak out loud,
Even if you are alone.
even if you feel silly.
Especially if you feel silly.
True.
When I was learning Spanish, I talked to myself.
Really?
Yes, in the mirror.
Wow.
I said simple things like, hello, how are you?
That's great practice.
My accent was terrible.
But you didn't stop.
No, I smiled and continued.
That's very important.
Yes, don't wait for perfection.
Perfect English does not exist.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
I make mistakes every day.
Me too.
Tip number 3 is very powerful.
What is it?
Think in English.
Oh, yes, this changed everything for me.
Many learners translate in their head,
First from English to their language.
then back to English.
That's very slow and tiring.
Start small.
Very small.
Look around and name things in English.
Chair.
Window.
Phone.
Simple things.
When you wake up, say in English, I am tired today.
Or, I am happy today.
Talk to yourself in your mind.
Slowly, your brain will switch to English.
And speaking becomes easier.
Let's talk about fear.
Fear.
Fear stops many people from speaking.
Fear of mistakes.
Fear of being laughed at.
I understand that feeling. One time, I spoke Spanish in a cafe.
Oh no.
I said something wrong.
What happened?
The waiter smiled and helped me.
That's nice.
I learned something new that day.
That mistakes are teachers.
Yes, not enemies.
Tip number 4, make friends with mistakes.
Smile when you make a mistake.
Learn from it.
Then move on.
Don't stop speaking.
Another good tip is shadowing.
Oh, yes, shadowing is great.
That means you listen and repeat at the same time.
Like an echo.
Exactly.
You can do this with podcasts,
or YouTube videos.
or movies.
Pause, repeat, and copy the speaker.
Copy the sound, not the spelling.
This trains your mouth very well.
Emma, what about confidence?
Confidence grows with action.
Not with thinking.
Yes, you must speak to feel confident.
Not wait to feel confident to speak.
That's a big lesson.
I want to say something to our viewers.
Go ahead.
If you can say one sentence today, that's success.
Yes, one sentence is enough.
Tomorrow, maybe 2 sentences.
Small steps are powerful. Let's do a quick example.
Okay?
You can say, "Hi, my name is..."
Or, I am learning English.
Simple, useful, real.
Over time, your brain and mouth become friends.
They start working together.
Speaking feels more natural.
And less scary. So let's reflect for a moment. Learning to speak English is not magic.
It's daily practice.
Listening,
Speaking
making mistakes.
and enjoying the process.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to be brave
Brave enough to try.
and kind enough to yourself.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We really enjoyed this conversation.
If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
Remember,
Your brain can learn,
your mouth can speak.
and you can do this.
See you in the next video.